All right, guys, lesson 98. Lesson 98, we are talking about scale and scale factor. Now, something that's going to tell you how old I am is we used to, and some of your dads have probably done this, we used to build model cars. And on the side of a box of a model car that we used to be able to buy at Walmart, it would say this is 1/24 or 1/36 scale. And what that means is that model car or model airplane was 1/24 or 1/36 or whatever the size of the actual model or the actual airplane or the actual car. So you had to essentially take that down that many times. So 1 inch on the model would be 24 inches on the actual, or something of that sort. So that's what we're talking about today, is scale. So on example 1, it says a model airplane is built with a scale of 1 to 24. If the wingspan of the model is 18 inches, the wingspan of the actual airplane is how many feet? Now, we're going to set this up real similar to lesson 97 with proportions. So, if you need to do a ratio box, do that. Model, actual. So it says 1 to 24 is our scale. So then, if we start looking at the wingspan, it says 18 inches, and it wants to know how many feet. So if you're paying attention real close to this, you'll notice that this is inches, this is feet. Which means at some point in time, we're going to have to convert. But right now, we're just going to solve. And we solve it just like we have it. Cross, multiply, divide. So, 24 times 18. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 2, 16, plus our 3, gives us 19. 4 and 2. So I've got 2, 9 plus 4 is 3, 13, 2, 1, and 1 gives me 4. So we have 432 inches. Now, notice we would have divided that by 1 in terms of cross multiply divide. Since we divided by 1, it stays. But I did tell you that we're going to have to convert that to inches, or from inches to feet, which means I'm going to have to divide 432 by 12. There's 12 inches in a foot. So we do have to do a conversion. 12 into 43, 3 times, which is 36. Borrow and subtract. 13 minus 6 gives me 7. Bring down my 2. 12 into 72. Right, 6 times. And it goes evenly. So 36 feet is your wingspan. Okay? So scale, you're simply setting up a ratio box and solve it. Now on page 676, it talks about scale factor, how much bigger. And it's still the same thing. We're still setting up ratios. In fact, example 2 simply sets up a ratio. It says solve. 3 over 7 equals 15 over n. Now again, we can cross multiply and divide like we have been, or in this case, you could also say